Won't you take for granted a smile on the face? Jump a little bit closer, you might find a clear trace. Or maybe your girl might ever say I'm mumbling well, but you gotta make sure that her voice is heard. Oh, I had a true love and I lost it, and I'm suffering on this pain, baby. Never been a wrong man. Oh, the woman gotta have it. I believe she wanna know that she's feeling around. When you kiss her, you gotta make her feel the feeling every time. She wanna know that she's not walking on straight ground. Yeah, I got something else I wanna say. Girl, you're welcome, yeah. Baby, stop on by. 'Cause you know I'll be here, baby. Yes, I will. To dry your eyes, dry your eyes. 'Cause when it gets tired, yes, I will. Be that second guy. Oh, don't you be no fool, baby. You're about to lose your own standby. Now this is what I want you to do, baby. Just stop on, stop on.
I'm a juke joint woman. I'm looking for a juke joint man. Hey, yeah. He ain't hard to find, y'all. I can tell by the way he stands. He don't do no electric boogie. He don't do no slip and slide. He likes to hold me real tight. And we love and grind. Oh, yeah. I drink corn liquor. My sister said that ain't right. I tried drinking them damn margaritas, but you know they ain't got no bite. I got myself a quart of beer. I got some bootleg from out the bank. Me and my two joint buddies, we're gonna have us a real good time. 'Cause I'm a two joint woman. I'm a victim of circumstances. Hey, yes, I am. I'm going out tonight, yeah. I'm gonna find me a juke joint man.
Jump, woman.
Listen, come on. Oh, Sonny, play that guitar. Yeah. Y'all ready for some blues? Are you ready? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Puppets coming on in the grass. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The lady in the stripe said, hell, we do it better. Check it out. So if you're looking for a good girl, where the single ladies at? Oh, shucks now, fellas. You got a hand picking up in here. So y'all can have yourself a real good time with me. Check this out. Now, when I was a little bitty girl, we was in the backyard just playing. Me and my sisters. A little hopscotch, jump rope, and all that good stuff. But let me tell you something. We was doing a little thing. See, I love them nursery rhymes. Y'all know about nursery rhymes in Millington. Let me tell you this about the ones I like. I got two of them I'm gonna give them to you tonight. My first one, Jack and Jill. Y'all know about Jack and Jill? You know Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. But let me tell you something about that story. Ain't nothing but a crocodiles. Now see, one day, my daddy was sitting in the backyard, and guess what he told us? He said, girls, as long as I've been alive, I ain't never gonna water to run up no hill. Sure, you're right. But guess what? Daddy got me to thinking. See, I'm one of them good girls. He got me to thinking. I said, now what did Jack and Jill go up under the hill to do? Do y'all know? Well, if you don't, here it is. Jack and Jill went up that hill to fetch a pail of water. Jill laid it down on the ground, and two big booties went down. Oh, but they're two bad things. Some preacher got his wife at the podcast. I said, one girl, two bad things. Oh, I know it for myself. That's how I love my life. Good girl, two bad things. That's how the preacher got his wife at the podcast. Good girl, two bad things. Oh, I know it for myself. That's how I. Now wait a minute. I ain't through with y'all yet. I told you I love them damn nursery rhymes. Probably why I'm doing what I'm doing today. But I got one more for you. Y'all know the one about Little Bo Peep. Y'all don't know nothing about no Little Bo Peep. You can't tell me that. That was a Memphis City school thing. That's why they mess up today, that damn Little Bo Peep. Let me tell you about him. Now let me tell you. See, Little Bo Peep lost her sheep, and she didn't know where to find it. You know about it, don't you? But let me tell you, nice young boy helped her find her sheep. And let me tell you the story about it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, shucks, they ready, fellas. Are y'all ready for this? Oh, here we go. Listen. Little boy blue, come on, blow your horn. The sheep are in the meadows, the cows in the corn. Where's that little boy? Tend the sheep. He's under the haystack with Little Bo Peep. Oh, good girls who bad things. That's how the preacher got his wife at the podcast. I say, good girls who bad things. Oh, I know it for myself. That's how I. Good girls who bad things. That's how the preacher got his wife at the podcast. Good girls who bad things. Oh, I know it for myself. That's how I. Now wait a minute, fellas. Break it down for just a second. See, I got a girl. Well, I got several girls out here. They want to get married this year. They can't wait. They good girls. But they got to show y'all something. They got to show y'all what they got. So girls, if you're ready, come front and center. Cause these girls finna rock this house. Ladies